Hello, in this video we will discuss one question from this year's prelims paper. This is a part of a 100 video series which will cover the entire paper. Please like, share and subscribe and visit our website themcqbank.com. So let's get started. The question is, with reference to chemical fertilizers in India, consider the following statements. And the statements are, at present, the retail price of the chemical fertilizers is market-driven and not administered by the government. Ammonia, which is an input of urea, is produced from natural gas. Sulphur, which is a raw material for phosphoric acid fertilizers, is a byproduct of oil refineries. Which of the statements given above is correct? The answer is B, 2 and 3 only. Statement 1 is wrong as the government notifies the MRP of fertilizers under the law. Statement 2 and 3 are correct. Let's find out why. It is true that ammonia is produced from natural gas. On a large scale, ammonia is synthesized from hydrogen from natural gas and nitrogen from the air by Haber's process. This is a flowchart for the manufacture of ammonia. In Haber's process, hydrogen is formed by reacting natural gas and steam at high temperatures and the nitrogen is supplied from the air. Nitrogen and hydrogen react in the presence of an iron catalyst to form ammonia. After the production of ammonia, urea is manufactured from ammonia and carbon dioxide. Sulphur is a byproduct from oil and gas industry. The most common conversion method used in refineries is the Claus process. Sulphur is a raw material for phosphoric acid-based fertilizers. Sulphur forms sulfuric acid. When sulfuric acid is added to ground phosphate rock, single or normal phosphate is produced. In the Claus process, 1/3 of the hydrogen sulfide is burned with air in a reactor furnace to form sulfur dioxide. Here is the reaction for the process. The remaining uncombusted hydrogen sulfide reacts with sulfur dioxide to form elemental sulfur. The overall reaction is 2H2S plus O2 gives 2S plus 2H2O. Now the question is, how does the government regulate the retail price of chemical fertilizers? The government notifies the MRP of fertilizers under the Fertilizer Control Order 1985. FCO was passed under the Essential Commodities Act 1955 to regulate sale, pricing and quality of fertilizers. Fertilizer Movement Control Order was passed in 1973 to regulate distribution of fertilizers. The state governments have been empowered to ensure selling of fertilizers at MRP and take appropriate action to curb black marketing, smuggling and diversion of subsidized urea to industrial sector and to initiate punitive action against any person violating provisions of FCO and Essential Commodities Act. So this was the answer and the explanation to the question on chemical fertilizers. Hope you liked the video, and if you found it helpful, please share with others too. Thank you and see you again with another question.